Combination is very important chapter exam point of view, because permutation combination chapter link with probability also. So if you learn permutation combinations, it is more useful for a probability chapter. Probability chapter is there in first year as well as second year. So this chapter is basic for probability chapter. So first we can discuss some of the basic things what to learn in permutation combinations. Okay. The synopsis part of permutation combinations. You know what is meant by NPR formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial. You know about factorial notation. 2 factorial means 2 into 1, 2. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. 6. 4 factorial means we'll write 4 into 3 factorial. 24. 5 factorial will write 5 into 4 factorial. Or 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 120. N factorial we can write n into n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial we write as n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. N plus 1 factorial. N plus 1 into n factorial. Okay. Now, suppose we want 5p2 value. Substitute in this formula. 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 5 minus 2 means 3 factorial. 3 factorial cancel, 5 4s are 20. The same 5p2 we can use the shortcut also. Shortcut means what means? 5 you write 2 times back. 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. This is the shortcut. Next. 8p3. How to write? 8 3 times back. 8 into 7 into 6. 8 7s are 56. 336. 10p2. How to write? 10 2 times back. 10 into 9. 90. 5p3. How to write? 5 you write 3 times back. 5 into 4 into 3. 60. Okay. Write all this. So much is there still synopsis weight. Okay. Copy this everyone. Permutation combinations is useful for binomial theorem also and probability also. This chapter is very important exam point of view. We saw yesterday by using permutation combinations. So probability they are giving 6 questions, permutation combinations 2 questions, total 8 questions. So this concept, this basic concept is useful for 8 questions, and binomial theorem also 1 question will come. Total 9 questions. That maximum minima, that those many questions enough. They won't ask more than that. Actually, you saw yesterday paper maximum minima. I think it is only 1 question or it is not there. So instead of that, this we can concentrate more. Okay, this chapter is more important. Good morning. Emma, good morning. Tesh, good morning. Sarah, good morning. Ujjwal, good morning. Chandu, good morning. Hemant Kumar, Monisha, Shreya, good morning. Rohan, good morning. Anusha, good morning. Ushit, good morning. Pratiksha, good morning. Aniket, good morning. Very good morning, sir. How are you, sir? Good morning, sir.
Sir, good morning.
Students are coming slowly.
Post ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ
Sir, yesterday chemistry class is fine, no? 2 hours, sir?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ UPS ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾಕೋ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು.
ಇವ್ರು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಹಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಸಿ. ಈ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೇ ಬರಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ.
ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋ-ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಹೌದು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬಟ್ ಕೋ-ಹೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇವತ್ತು ಆ ತರ ಹಾಟ್ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಅದೇ ನಮ್ದಿಂದ ಇದು ಹಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ? 2 hours ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ?
ಬಂತು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 10 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು, 15 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಅವಾಗ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
Completed. Can I move to the next question, everyone? Yes. Now I can discuss about what is meant by phi 0, how to find phi 0. Whenever a denominator 0 came, that means not denominator, 5p 0 came, it is 1. 3p 0, 1. 2p 0, 1. 10p 0, 1. Suppose 4p 1 is there, how to write? 4. 3p 1 means 3. 8p 1 means 8. Okay. 5p 5 means 5 factorial. 120. 3p 3 is there, we can write as 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6. 10p 10 is there, how to write it? 10 factorial. So what you understood clearly means np0 value 1, np1 value n, npn value n factorial. Understand? Right. npn factorial n factorial. Completed. I'll give some questions, you can find the values. 15p3, 20p2, 25p4, 7p5, 9p3. You can find these values fast. and you can say answer. Everyone. First one is 380, yeah? $30,003. Okay. First one answer, everyone? Yes, correct. 15 into 14 into 13 by 3 into 2 into 1. 5 sevens are 35 into 13. Yes, correct. Correct, Amma. 25P4 is 30,000, 303600. 20P2 380. 7P5 value. 25P4 303600 correct. 7P5 value. 5 not. Last one 42. No. What is 42, Aniket? You are doing, I think, C2 combination. No, do permutation. 7P5. 7C5 means you can write 7 into 6. This is 7P5, no? 7 into 5 into 4. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. P3 504. Why you are all confusing yourself while multiplying the values? 9 into 8 into 7, how much? 504, no? 5040, no, only 504. 7P5 2520. Correct, Amma. Seven P5 value how much? Two five two zero. 7P. Blade. Yes. Now I can move to the combination concept. What is the difference between permutation combination? Permutation means arrangement, combination means selection. Okay, selecting things. NPR I said n factorial by n minus r factorial, correct? Permutation. But come back to NCR, combination means n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Suppose if we want to find 5C2, 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. That is called 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 5 minus 2, 3 factorial into 2 into 1. 3 factorial answer, 2 here, 2 times, 5 2s are 10 answer. For this also we have shortcut. How to find 5C2 means 5 write 2 times back. 5 into 4 by, what is this number here? 2 into 1. 2 here, 2 times 10. Suppose we want to find 7C3. What is the shortcut for 7C3? 7 into 6 into 5 by 3 into 2 into 1. Because these 3 now. 3 to the 6, 6 cancel, 35. Suppose 7C2 is there. 7 into 6 by 2 into 1. 21. Here I will give one shortcut to you. 7C5 is there. 7C5 is same as 7C2. Because in we have formula. Okay, but you remember 7C5 is 7C2. It is nothing but 21. 25C24 is there. It is equal to, can anyone? 25C1 is equal to 25. Still so much is there, right up to here first. Right up to here. Complete now. Can I move to the next one? I'll give still more. So much is there to discuss about combination, everyone. Who is that person, sir? Is not without name he came. Just remove him. Don't allow him to the class. And switch on his camera also. (25C23). It is same as 25C2. Or try 25 into 24 by 2 into 1. 2 in 24, 12 times. 12 25s are 300. So what here you need to remember, formula NCR is equal to NC n minus R. 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 Now 5C1 5, 6C1 6, 10C1 10, 5C0 1, 10C0 1, 8C0 1. They suppose 4C4 is there. What is the answer? 1. How? 4 factorial by 4 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. That is nothing but 1 unit. 8C8 means 1. 10C10 means 1. But in permutations, we are writing factorial. But in combination, we are writing 1. Now you can find some values I can give to you. 15C3, 20C2, 10C4, 5C3, 6C3. Find these values. What I'm writing on the screen, everything you write. Who is this person without name? Yes. First one is 455. 15 into 14 into 13 by 3 into 2 into 1. 455. This is 455. What about this? 190. Correct. Next one. Next one. $210. Are you sure? Correct. Next one. 20. Next one. This is 5C3 is not 20, I think. 10. Correct. 5C3 is 10. Good. Last one is 20. Everyone got the same answer? Very good. Now you can write some things on board. NC1 how much? NC0 how much? NCN how much? 10C10 how much? 8C8 how much? 6C1 how much? 10C0 how much? NC1 is 1. NC1 N. Not 1. NC0 1. NCN 1. 10C10 1. 8C8 1. 6C1 6. 10C0 1. Correct, huh? Now 20C8 18 value you can find. 20C5C 23. 18C 15. 30C 29. 10C5. Find these values fast. Yes, 20C18 is same as. Correct. 20C18 is same as 20C2. Correct. Already we find out 190. Yes. 25C23 is nothing but 25C2, that is 300. Correct. Next one. This is 816. Huh? Okay. This is nothing but 30 only. 10C5 value. What is 10C5? Are you sure? Hey, one person is saying one answer. 10C5, how what is the answer? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 2s are 10, 10 cancel. 4 in 8, 2 times. 3 here, 3 times. 6 into 7 into 6. What is the answer? 252 is the right answer. 252 is the right answer. Correct now. 252 is the right answer. Understand? Now, factorial notation over, permutations over, combinations over. Now, how to find rank? Before that, one of some of the formulas. Suppose how to arrange the letters of the word month. Month. Month contain how many letters? 5 letters. You can arrange in 5 factorial ways. Okay. That means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 120. Okay, good. How to arrange the letters of the words? Suppose another word is there. TETH. Now, 1 second. Class, CLASS class. Class contain how many letters? 5 letters, 5 factorial by. In this, S is repeated how many times? 2 times. So by 2 factorial. That is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 factorial means 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 cancel. 5 4s are 23s are 60. 60 is the answer. class contains 5 letters. In that S repeated 2 times. That's why we wrote 5 factorial by 2 factorial. One more letter is there. Probability. Probability contains how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 factorial by any letter repeated. B repeated 2 times. We will discuss one by one, dear students. Why you are getting confusion? Huh? And I also repeated a probability. Yes, 2 factorial. Again 2 factorial. So here I repeated 2 times. And also B repeated 2 times. That's why in denominator I wrote 2 factor into 2 factor. No need to find the answer, leave it like that. Okay. So any letter repeated how many times, that you can write in denominator. Denominator. Copy this fast. Copy this, everyone. Dear students, what I am explaining to you, are you following? Understand, everyone? These are all the shortcuts we need to use while solving the problems. Okay. Next one. Can you move to the next question? Good. No, find out answer not required. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Banana contains how many letters? 6 letters. 6 factorial by. A repeated 3 times, 3 factorial. Into. N repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. You can find answer. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 into 1. 60. 60 is the answer. 60. Check it once. 60 is the answer. Correct? Huh? Banana. $60 is correct or not? Check it value, everyone. What is the answer? Yes, correct. 60. Banana. Yes. Now, assassination. Assassination contains how many letters? Assassination. Twelve factorial by. A repeated 3 times, 3 factorial. S repeated 3 times, 3 factorial. I repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. N repeated 2 times, 2 factorial. Don't find any answer, just leave it like that, okay? Understand? Now you understood how to find this. If any letter repeated means, yeah, if you want, you can do for college. C-O-L-L-E-G, college. College contains how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can write in capsule, then you can understand clearly. C-O-L-L-E-G, college. College contains 7 letters, 7 factorial by. L repeated 2 times, E repeated 2 times. Correct, na? Like that possible. Okay. Can you move next one? Now I can find how to find rank. Rank. So now it will take nearly 15 to 20 minute discussion. I can explain 2-3 questions how to find rank. Very important rank concept. So concentrate. What is the rank for mother? They can ask question in 2 ways. One way is find the rank of mother, or second way is if you write in a dictionary, what is the rank for mother? Okay. Or if you write in a dictionary, what is the which place it was, like that. Mother, you can write in alphabetical order first. Alphabetical order means first what is possible? E. Next alphabetical order H. Next M. Next O or T. Correct? So I can start with E. His mother starts with E? No. After E, how many letters are possible? 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factorial. E after what is the letter is there? H is there. His mother starts with H? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is equal to 5 factorial. Next letter M. His mother starts with M? Yes or no? Yes. So cancel M and M here. Come back to the first letter. What is the first letter again? E. Is mother spelling M-E? No. Still how many letters are there? 4 letters, 4 factorial. Next M. E after H. You are come back now again, you can see this letter. Is mother spelling MH? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factorial. See, while explaining first time, you listen once again. Okay. Again, I'll say father. So first within the one question, you cannot understand completely. So listen. MH also not possible. H after M already completed. MO. MO correct mother? Yes. OO cancel. Again, come back to first letter. What is the first letter? E. Mother spelling MOE correct? No. Still how many letters are there? 3 letters, 3 factorial. MOH. Is mother spelling MOH? No. Again 3 factorial. MO over R is left. MOR correct? No. 3 factorial. MOT correct now? So TT cancel. Come back to E. MOTE correct? No. 2 factorial. Next. MOTH correct. Again back. E correct. R correct. All correct means one answer. One you can consider. Now you can add all this. 5 factorial value 120. 5 factorial 120. 4 factorial 24. 24. 3 factorial 6, 6, 6. 2 factorial 2. Last answer 1. Add all this. 10, 10, 20, 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10. 309 is the answer. First you write in alphabetical order. No, it's possible within a minute, no problem. E, if after writing the alphabetical order, it is possible within a minute, I will show to you after 3-4 questions, you will only find them. Okay, don't worry. First see the procedure. First you write in alphabetical order, mother. I wrote in alphabetical order. In alphabetical order, what is the first letter? E. His mother starts with E? No. E after how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why 5 factorial. So in the alphabetical order, next letter H. I consider H. His mother starts with H? No. How many letters are left? Here 4, here 1. Total 5 letters, 5 factorial. Next M. M possible. So strike M and M. Later, Sahana slow. Sahana slow. Repeated means how it is possible. Every question will discuss, don't worry. Okay. First, this question, this concept we'll discuss. Next, brother or sister or be repeated, S repeated, that we'll do. Okay, don't worry. One by one. Cool. Listen once again what I'm explaining. MM cancel. Come back to first letter. ME is not correct. So, ME after 4 letters for factor. MH, 4 letters. MO, O correct. Whenever it is correct means cancel and come back to the first letter. That is very important point. Whenever come back to first letter. First write this one. I'll explain further also. Then you can understand very clearly this question. How to find rank. Not 2021, that's a addition. Addition I did. This full if you add 29. 2 I wrote here, 9 I wrote here. Add means 10. 309. Okay. What after E directly I wrote R? I didn't write anywhere after E directly R. At last, MO go all completed. Now only R is left now. Then R I wrote and cancel. That's why it's striker, no? Whatever element strike means you don't consider again. M over O over H over T over E only E after only R is left. That's why I wrote. That is also correct. Yes, of course.